Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and transfer money from Halifax on online banking. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay, let's get into our video. So for that purpose, the very first step would be simply for you to access your browser, type in halifax.com and get to this official website of it. Now afterwards, the second step would be for you to simply access your account, enter the information and sign in. Then here in this account's information, you're going to find your current account. In the my account section, you're going to find your current account's information, etc., statements, and in the beside section you're going to find this option of make a payment. If you would like to transfer money by online way, simply tap on this make a payment option, and then the next step simply will appear, which will include the recipient's information. If you have already transferred to that particular account, you will find the account's information. Go ahead, tap on it, and that will lead you to this current payment, aka make a payment section. Otherwise, you will have a new setup account option where you're going to go ahead, tap on it and set up the account, and tap on the reference number and the amount below. You can see once you've added the amount, you will find this another continue option given bottom right corner of your screen. Once you have tapped on the continue, you will be able to successfully transfer your money, and then you will also get a notification by Halifax itself to inform you that your transfer has been confirmed. And you can again go back to here, and you can in the statement section you can check out the statement of the money transfer. So that is the simplest way for you to do so. Hope it was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.